every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! We're gonna need a bunch of kale, washed, dried, and torn into bite-sized pieces, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and salt and pepper. I started by turning on my oven to preheat to 180 degrees. And now I'm going to spread the kale on 2 baking sheets, drizzle them with extra virgin olive oil, and toss everything together using my hands. You want to make sure that the kale is in one even layer. This will go into the oven for 20 minutes with a little break halfway through when I'll take the baking sheets out to toss the kale. It will ensure that in the end every single piece is as crispy as it can be. Once they're done, I'm going to season them with some salt and pepper, a little bit of tossing everything together, and that's it. Oh my god, this is the second time in my life trying kale, and this is actually the recipe that I've heard so much about and I did not know if Laura has it. I know a few years back it was such a hit. Maybe it's not even popular anymore, but hey, as always, I'm late, I'm here. These seem so crispy, but at the same time they look so brown. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. These are chips. Oh my god. I don't know if I will be able to talk now. My guilty pleasure, my dessert, junk food, and all the, I don't know, whatever. Like, what's my, I'm so excited, what do I want to say? My choice is always chips. If I want junk food, it's chips. If I choose between dessert, and if I can choose chips, I will choose chips. And these, can you hear? These are vegetables. Did I burn them though? I kind of don't remember how Laura's looked like. Let's try like a greener one. Does it need to be green or like brownish? Either way, it works for me. Oh boy. Okay, the green one, the texture is different. It's a bit more, you know, alive, vegetable-y. The brown one is like plain crisp. As I don't really know how they're supposed to taste like, the fact that they're crispy, they're crunchy, they remind me of chips. I'm kind of embarrassed now. I feel I have some serious business, so I'll be wrapping this up because, you know, of that business. And this is how Laura's look like. These are mine. Look at them while I still have them because, boy, they will not last long. This is so fun. If you want to watch Laura make it, the link is there. If you want to try them yourself, as you saw, it's just it's not even a handful, it's 3 ingredients. And oh, so the recipe is in the description box down below. And that's it. This is cool. This is really cool. Thank you so much for watching. If you have some kale chip recipes you love, please share with me, because clearly, someone found a new obsession. This is real fun. Even if I burn them and I don't know it, I'm so enjoying it. This is so cool. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was fun and helpful, and I will see you soon. Bye!